Hello, what's up? There's day 5 bitch again with you with another new video. Sorry guys, I was just away from my YouTube and I was just doing my some projects and it was just like so technical and stuff like that. I have created like many stuffs like Salona sniper bot which is going to hit every time 0 second to 3 seconds, and the minimum range like the minimum average range is like 7 seconds, which is going to get you like a good position. But today it's just like a little bit different video, so I have created something. So first of all, I'm going to tell you something that's not a financial advice. I'm not going to give you a financial advice. So I have created something that if you guys are really interested, so feel free to DM me on Telegram, because my Telegram is mentioned there down below in my YouTube channel, which is at the Red Fi Bitch. So you can reach me there, okay, and you can verify my Telegram from my main official YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you something amazing, okay. So if you are just trying to build something like Pump.Fun or SunPump or something like that, so I have created that for you and I'm on your service, okay. So here you go. It's just like here you go, you can see the script here as well, but for right now I'm just working on the front end right now, and I have completely entirely finished the front end, and the back end is going to be in the next video. And by watching, if you are watching this video, maybe at the time I will be done with my backend. So it's just I have properly finished this project and it's going to take me just 3 days, and it's just like 2 September right now. So by the end of 5 September or 6 September, it's going to be properly ready, okay, and you can customize it and you can do whatever you want, okay. So I'm going to show you sun pump, because I have forked the sun pump. That's a good one. So I'm going to show you right now. npm run. Oh fuck. Npm run start, sorry. Oh, npm run dev. Okay, right now it's done. So sorry, I'm so sorry. Just doing like a lot of codings with TypeScript and React.js and everything like that. So that's happened. So I have to copy this and let me go there. You can see here, okay. So it's running right now. So as you can see here, and like everything, just like a buttons. That's all the dummy data at the moment right now, because I have done the front end. So you guys can see here, because this is the sun form is just more amazing than the Pump.Fun. So we can do a lot of things in that. So I'm going to update in the next video. So as you can see here, it's just like pretty nice, and I have created this one and I'm going to make it just more customizable and much more. So, and whatever is your changes or whatever you want me to do, I can do it. It's very easy, it's not a problem. So if I go to launch, so you can see here, it's just like all these things I have mentioned and everything I have done. But let me tell you again that this is just a front end at the moment right now. The backend is going to be soon integrated. So by the end of 5 September, so you guys are going to expect a new video. And if I delay or something, if I'm busy somewhere, so it will be done. And if you are interested, so I can show you like completely live version of this one, okay. So it's going to be on multiple blockchains at the moment right now. I'm playing, because first of all I'm going to do the backend for the Tron, because so it's like a Tron is really hyped. So I'm going to do on Tron, and if you want me to customize it for you in just Ethereum or BSC, like all EVMs, or even if Solana, or if in Tone, so I can do it for you. It's very easy. So as you guys can see here, and my results are first, and because my results are first, and then you can discuss about anything, because I will just try my best to give you like a best results. So that's something I have done it. So if anybody need it, so just like feel free to DM me on my Telegram. So it's going to be it's going to be mentioned down below my Telegram, sorry, on my YouTube. So you can just get it from the description, and it's already mentioned in my description. So as you can see here, right, I have done it. So it's just properly, and I'm still playing with it, so it's going to be much more amazing. So as you can see here, everything. So it's just long stuffs like that, and you guys can see here it's listing stuffs like that, and just refresh stuffs. So it's done, properly done. It's the front end. So soon I will be with you guys with the back end. And I'm really sorry guys that I was just a little bit away from my YouTube channel because I was doing some work, and but right now I'm back again. So feel free to DM me, feel free to ask any question, and I will answer. I will try my best to answer that questions, because some people are just like coming and spamming stuff like that. So I'm going to see the authentic comments. So I'm going to answer that one. So yeah, I will be waiting for you guys. If somebody is interested, so feel free to DM me. And that's not a financial advice. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. That's just a script I have created. How the Pump.Fun is working and how the SunPump is working. So it is going to work the same like that. So, and we can even more decorate it. But it's up to you guys that which design you are going to choose. Like what kind of curves or stuff like that. So it's depend on you. So feel free to DM me, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.